So we're on our way to Jess and Jeremiah's house to learn how to better kill hogs. We've done it 5 or 6 times, but we're going to learn from some people who really know their stuff. I'm very excited to add another layer to our knowledge. But we're at the airport and Jeremiah just called and said the roads were really icy near their house and we may not be able to get out there without a 4-wheel drive vehicle. So we'll see. All right. Ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some food.
We weren't able to get a 4-wheel drive car because they all got rented out yesterday because apparently the ice storm started yesterday, and so we have a front wheel drive, which is that's okay.
They actually upgraded us because I got like the cheapest option.
But we needed a front wheel drive,
yeah.
So they upgraded it. That's nice. All right. I had to get out my coat because it's cold. It's freezing cold out here. It's gonna get colder. There's ice on everything. I mean, there's just ice like in the grass. And we stopped at this beautiful cemetery. I wonder.
We need to find out the name of it. It's a really old cemetery, which is something I love. Old cemeteries.
It's beautiful.
It's so intriguing. Like, who are these people? What happened to them? When did they die? Why did they die? Where did they live? Who were they to this city? I have so many questions.
That is really pretty.
Have you ever seen one that big?
Yeah. It's beautiful, huh?
I think one of the reasons I love old cemeteries is because growing up, my dad lived really close to the oldest cemetery in Nashville. And it just fascinated me. I could just walk over there and I would have, like special places I like going, and there was, like graves that I remembered and knew a little bit about from reading, and I just really loved it. It was so beautiful and quiet. And so now I just still really love old graveyards. But mostly I'm just fascinated by who are these people? Who were they? Why did they live here? What did they do for this city? Because obviously the people buried here must have been some kind of important people in the city because they have these huge gravestones.
They were all wealthy.
They were all wealthy. They all have giant gravestones.
I mean, what I'm imagining is you describe to your family this gravestone you want is this one right here. It's like a almost 14-foot tall stone pier.
Isn't that like a Masonic, kind of like what Asheville has?
I don't. But lawyer, judge, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the state of Arkansas, 1884 to 1893.
Wait
I mean,
a second.
He was Chief Justice of the Supreme Court those years. Yeah.
I thought that was his birthday and death day. I was like, that does not make sense.
Let me look at the map, see if I can figure that out. We're trying to figure out the route. An alternate route to avoid some of the icy roads. Jeremiah just said he had tried to go out earlier and it was really, really icy. Near their house. It's not bad here. There is ice on everything, but we're here. Yeah, it's awesome. That's great.
Look at that art.
That's really nice.
And then the TV comes out of the thing.
Yeah.
But they're going to do like you're going to do something else there, aren't you?
We'll probably leave the TV, but
Okay.
I liked the fact that it wasn't always up and that
Yeah.
it gave me counter space. Because we won't use it that much. We don't keep the TV on all the time, to say.
This is the best dog in the world.
He is
so...
Joe, you're so good.
Yeah, and then he
he's
does
like-
that. Yeah. Give me some more.
Whoa!
I am gonna do the pork shoulders in the crock pots because that'll be great. And I was thinking I might get some potatoes today and bake like sweet potatoes or something because I could do a lot. It'll be really warm and then we can just pile it up. And then I was thinking I might make a really big pot of chicken and dumplings because that will be like super easy to cook a lot of.
That's true.
So y'all are having Hand Hewn Farm down to teach us how to kill, butcher, and
Cure.
cure pigs.
Process, all that stuff.
And it's not a public event. It's just like
No.
y'all just did it for us.
They wanted a class to stay small so everyone could be hands-on.
Yeah.
Bigger the class, the less you can actually do physically. Like, you know what I'm saying? You just be watching, and so they said keep the class small. So
We were going to have them come and teach us anyway,
Mhm.
and so we decided to invite a handful of our friends that could still fill out the class and keep it low-key, so we're excited you guys are here.
We're excited to be here.
Now, beautiful weather for it. But
yeah, we're also going to be doing
Good for the
a
meat.
winter weather survival course. That goes hand in hand.
Arthur can teach that.
yeah.
So we're going to pretend like the pig's wild, and we're going to have to climb it. I think Arthur should be the guy in the tree with the Rambo knife and jumps on the hog.
So step 1 is drive it into the woods.
But it's already inside the fence.
So
It's like fish in a barrel. Why would you take
I
fish
know.
out of the
Because we're
barrel?
trying to learn survival skills.
Yeah.
That's why. To be authentic, we have to drive it into the woods. Speaking of, though, Arthur he wants to go, like, find these wild hogs out near our house. And, like, 2 weeks ago, he went out there to do that with the kids. And then, like, this huge snowstorm came. I mean,
While
they
you
got
were
home
up
safe
there?
and everything.
Well, there's already snow on the ground, and then another storm came in. Like on our drive back, it snowed like 4 inches just like in
In, like,
30 minutes.
30
It was just
Wow.
hammering. See ya. See you in the morning.
Bye.
Jeff.